Before you start building your own app, we're going to do something different. We're just going to play. This is Play Lab after all. In this first activity, you'll get your hands on a few apps. They are not meant to be perfect. They are meant to be fun, surprising, even a little weird. Your job isn't to polish them up. It's simply to notice what happens when you experiment. Here's the flow. Test it as is. Run the app a few times by adding different answers or inputs. What does it do well? What's confusing, strange, or surprising? Peek under the hood. Take a look at the back end, the background, the workflow, the guardrails. How is this thing actually working? Remix and retest. Make a change in any part of the behind-the-scenes build. Then run it again. What's different? What's funny? What breaks? As you go, keep your eyes open for patterns. What happens when you tweak the input? What changes when you shift something in the workflow or the background? The goal here isn't to get anything right. It's to build your curiosity. To learn by testing, tinkering, and noticing. Below is a short video explaining how to access the Build tab after you play with the app, as is, so you'll know where you can make some changes. Your design companion also has a place to hold your insights, questions, and ideas as you experiment. So dive in, have fun, and remember, the more you play now, the stronger your own designs will be later.